Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Phil in North Carolina, and here we have repaired throttle body. Just want to show the operation, and we'll be ready to mail it out. Now, this unit has been rewired before me. These are the wires, so I cut these out and put in mine, clean it up, lubricate it, resoldered, and tested. So now this is the front, this is the back. Now in the back here, from what I can tell, you can see a little oxidation. So what I'm thinking is that the throttle, the car itself, it doesn't have many miles based on the internals, but it could have been sitting for quite a long time. So therefore there's a little bit of an oxidation. Nothing serious. I tried to clean it just a little bit because this is very polished area. You do not want to disturb it much, so that is why I did not accent my attention to do it drastically. So the throttle was basically was tested like this for about 2 days straight. I had time on the bench to do that, and we can see the temperature. As you can see, it hits hundreds, over 100. This is the cold unit, for example, 70 something. So here we have over 100. These are other used, working units right now. You can see they also hit hundreds. This is 70s. So yes, this is just to show that the unit has been working for quite a while in this manner. Now my computer froze. That's just great. Let's try to reset this. I want to show you readings. So this, as you can see, the unit works just fine. I don't have pretty much any kind of concerns about this unit. To me it's fine. Let me just reset my computer real quick, and then we're gonna move on, look at some readings. EFP. So let's just try, because it was ready to be shown the readings, but then it just bugged out. I mean, this is old school stuff, and that's why it's not very stable. The idea here is just to look at our voltages here. So we have our throttle here at idle position, so we'll look at voltages, potentiometer R1 and R2. So 4.25, 0.44, so this is about right in the middle, and this is pretty much close to where it's supposed to be, where I always see them. 4.24 usually. 4.25, 1/100th of a volt is not critical by any means necessary. It's just no problems. 0.44 is right in the middle. It can be from 0.4 to 0.6. So we open the throttle, and obviously our readings also change. So that tells you that potentiometers work, and no problems there. It will not be really a mirror image, but close enough when it's wide open throttle or when it's at idle, so don't worry. There's a little bit of a rust on the return spring. Again, absolutely not critical, just a little, it's just very tiny little surface rust. Yeah, it's basically riveted together, welded together. I'm not taking that apart. There's no point. Micro switches also work right. Don't worry about this glitch. That's the glitching. That's always been happening on all my videos. You can look at any video, you can see micro switches sometimes jump around, but that's how they're supposed to be. On off, on idle, you open throttle, they switch over to off on. And it doesn't seem like they even been checked on ASR vehicles, so I don't know, they're there, I guess, for something. I also had to realign the plate, because every time I go and lubricate it, it shifts a little bit, so I have to realign it properly. So yeah, so basically this is all. I just wanted to make this quick because I got other things to go through, and for now this is it. This is ready to go. It was not working. You can see first part of the video where I show the problem. Now you do see this unit operational now. I repaired it, so it's all good to go. Alright, so this is all. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com, and thank you for watching.